Welcome back, developers. Wagtail uses the Python language and Django framework. Django already has an admin dashboard, authentication, and database. The database that's included in Django and Wagtail is SQLite database. There are several free and open source UI programs to manage SQLite, but we will try only two, which are DB Browser for SQLite and SQLite Studio. This is the SQLitebrowser.org site. Let's download it for Mac. Then click the package file and follow the install instruction in pop-up windows that appears. When the installation is complete, we can immediately open the program. Above here, there are menus which is included creating a new database and open database. The practical way to open a database is to drag and drop the SQL item file that we will open directly. Let's open one of the Django or Wagtail project database files that we have created. For example, the db.sqlite3 file that we have created before. This is the database structure of our file earlier. If we want to see the contents of one of the tables, for example this auth user table, then we highlight it, then right click, select browse table. This is the admin user record that we created when we installed Django and create super user. Now let's try another program, which is SQLite Studio. Let's go to the site SQLitestudio.pl. Download the latest version. After the download is complete, then click the package file and follow the install instruction in pop-up windows that appears. It's very easy. After installing, immediately run the program. To open SQLite database files, we can simply drag and drop. In the table that we will see, just double click. Then, on the right side, you can see the structure of the table, complete with keys, foreign keys, and the type of key. To see the contents of the table, you can use this data tab. Now the contents of the auth user table appear. See you guys in the next video.